The food market is more and more challenged by quality and safety. At the same time, we are always looking for better performance and profitability. TotalEnergies has developed Nevastane, a dedicated range of NSF81 products for all food industry. We have a complete range of lubricants and greases for all food segments.
Je suis impliqué dans l'activité des lubrifiants depuis presque 34 ans. Ça peut paraître beaucoup, mais c'est peu au regard des plus de 80 ans de l'histoire des Nevastane. Notre atelier de production des huiles Nevastane est spécifiquement dédié aux produits pour le contact accidentel avec les aliments. Nous n'utilisons que des composants agréés par la Food and Drug Administration. Nos produits répondent aux exigences cachères et halal et ils sont tous agréés par le NSF. Au-delà de la composition de nos produits, nous certifions également nos procédés de fabrication et la conformité de nos installations. Cela se traduit par des audits annuels et des certifications ISO 21469, cachère et halal.
We have different packagings of Nevastane adapted to every production process to facilitate lubrication. These packagings are specific to food industry because they have a special varnish and food approvals. The color of Nevastane packagings helps a client to easily identify it from conventional lubricants and in this way avoid any kind of contamination in their warehouse.
Our food-grade products are developed according to the food safety regulations and the most severe operating conditions. So the main benefits for our customers are an extended lifetime equipment and an accurate TCO approach, total cost of ownership. Our Nevastane products are approved by the main food equipment manufacturers, and to keep the performance of our lubricants, we are closely working with them.
Thanks to our presence in more than 160 countries, we are able to deliver our customers everywhere. Our local technical team assists our customers in order to reduce TCO, increase equipment life, and improve profitability and energy savings. Finally, with Nevastane H1 lubricants, we can support our customers' business all around the world.